Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki, if you didn't already know. I've never actually done a video of myself on this channel, so if you wanted to know what I look like, here I am. This is me. Today I have created this really feline caddy wing. Bronzy look, glowy as well. If you're interested in how I got this look, then please just keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I pick up Substitute for Love, which is that one right there. And then I'm just gonna mainly pop that above the crease, but it doesn't matter if we get it all over the lid because I said so. And then I'm gonna pick up Freshly Toasted from the same ZOEVA Cocoa Blend palette, and I'm gonna pop that a little bit more closely into the crease. I like that. I like it a lot. It's nice and sweet. And then we're just going to do the same on the other eye. Parallel from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, that one. And I'm going to pop that in the outer V. I'm going to get Obsidian from the PRISM palette, and I'm going to just right on the outer V. And I'm going to oh, you know what? I'm completely winging this. I don't even know what the hell I'm doing. Oh, that's way too much. Ew. No, I'm not doing any fancy cut crease, so I'm doing this wrong in your eyes. I'm doing it wrong. Get Lure from the PRISM palette, which is that one there. I pop that towards the middle. Excuse me. You wanna move? Pick up Hush from the BH Cosmetics, the BEVERLY Carnival palette. And I'm gonna pop that whoa. Gonna do my winged liner and I'll be back. The MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC20. Now, I'm not 100% sure if this is still going to be my shade or if I've gotten whiter since I got matched. Got some contouring with the SMASHBOX Step by Step Contour Stick. To get my NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. That under the eyes. HOOLA Benefit HOOLA bronzer. I love this bronzer because it's so universal. Like butter bronzer by Physicians Formula in light, I'm pretty sure. And I'm just gonna get on my duo fiber brush and just bronze even more than I already have. Alright, Gala Baked Highlighter in Gilded Honey. I'm just going to get Lure from the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the purple shade. And I'm going to line that as close as I can. Like so. My lips with Plum from MAC. I am going to go pop on some lashes and put some blush on, finish this look. I'll be right back. So I've just popped on some lashes off camera and I've finished the base with some blush, and then I just used the Mario Badescu facial spray to set that. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy it.